you all. My name is Pabel Sanders, and I'm the guy that you hear talking all around about the $1.75 investment for the potential of earning up to $100,000 in profits. All right. Now, I know we have a lot of skeptical people out there, but I do have a lot of people that are very much interested, and I've had a lot of response from this, and a lot of people are joining on. But I want a lot more of my Bahamian people to take advantage of this opportunity, so I'm not going to stop until I get that number of people that I want into the program itself. Alright? Because I want people to realize, to know that this is an opportunity. Because right now in this Bahamas, we have very little things to look forward to. We have jobs that we go to that we're not being paid like we should. A lot of people are out there that don't have jobs. We recently had a lot of people laid off, so we have a lot of people at home. They don't have anywhere else to turn. This is an opportunity. This is something that is you need only $1.75 to invest, and you can start towards something. You can build towards knowing where something is going to come back from eventually. Now, this is not something that happens overnight. This is something that, like I said before, is going to take about 3 to 6 months to complete the program. The $100,000 doesn't come in one shot, and actually the total would be $99,447. All right, that's the cap on the whole program. Once that number is anywhere into that range is accumulated and the matrix is maxed out, then that's the end of the matrix itself. This program is called a feeder matrix. It's something whereas you start out very small and through time continuously investing back into the program from within the program. So for example, you make money from within and you put some of it back and you keep some of it. I guarantee you would have no losses once you continue to keep going forward. Even if you don't continue to go forward, you would have no losses. You would only walk away with gains. Okay? But I suggest that you do take a look at this program because it's very, very effective. A lot of people are benefiting from this program, and a lot of people is gonna miss out because there's a lot of people that's just skeptical. And I admit, I used to be the same way one time ago as well. But I got tired of looking to the government, got tired of looking to employers and wondering when it's going to change, because I was convinced and knew that it was not going to change on its own. I had to do something and take action for myself. So I decided to get involved with network marketing, and it's been great. And I can see a future now that I didn't see before, heading on a job that was just a 9 to 5, that I go into work and then I clock out at a certain hour, living from paycheck to paycheck just like everyone else, and just bills stacking up that I wasn't sure on how I would be able to pay eventually. So I want everyone to really understand where I'm coming from, and I go into depth with this because I want us to be able to relate, because we're going to be, once you decide to join, we're going to be team members, and I want all of us to be on the same understanding of what we're doing here. We're making a difference, and that's exactly what it is. Once you provide this opportunity to somebody else, you're making a difference in their life, just like how I would make a difference in yours by offering you the opportunity. And that's what I want you to get. This is what I want you to see. Alright? I usually try to encourage people to understand that this is something that you can have more than 15,000, more than 20,000 stored up in your PayPal or your Solid Trust Pay account by summer, to go ahead and buy those school kids their school uniforms and get them and to pay those school fees. You can have some monies there to pay other bills, to go on vacation. You have Christmas coming up. You can do all the things you wanted to do, and you don't have to stop your job or whatever it is that you're doing now. You can also just add this in with it. This is an investment. This is something that you can just invest, and you can find money coming back to you from a small investment of $1.75. Again, I tell you, this is an opportunity, and I hope many of you out there see and grasp the moment, because there is very little moments like this that occur in our lifetime. Okay? So, again, I tell you, my name is Pabel Sanders. You can contact me on Facebook at Pabel A. Sanders. You can also call me on my cell phone at 559-0955. or email me at pabelsanders@gmail.com. Also, I'm on Skype. You can also find me on Skype at Colombiano242. Feel free to contact me if you have any other questions. I'm here to answer all your questions. Feel free to contact me at any time. It's better for you to get all the details you can about this, because this is going to be a big help. So to all of you out there and to all my team members that are already on board, I thank you for joining, and I know that you're seeing results already, and we're going to have a few of them on just telling you a bit about the program as well eventually. And also I thank all of those that has supported me from the beginning and still going along with the program.